it's idle. Idle is around like 74. So this is stock. Go ahead. 84. 86. Is that a peaked at? So we're gonna take the rear muffler off, make it louder. We'll let you guys hear it when we're finished.
My guy let you guys hear what it sounded like before on this Pontiac Solstice, which is actually a sleeper, man. These things are quick. Anyways, let me show you what we done after. Factory converter up there. Pipe goes down, 2.5 all the way back. Then we did a muffler delete right there. 2.5 inch continues. He didn't have a lot of money. They were kids, so we're hooking them up, the future generation. So this is a tip we took off a Dodge Ram and put it on it. Check it out, guys. This came off a Dodge Ram. So we hooked them up with it right there. Came out clean. It actually fits the body of the car. What do you guys think of that tip? There it is, look. It fits it nicely. And then there's the original muffler that was on it that we took off right there. That huge muffler, and there's the old tip that was on it. So we took it off and replaced it. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear. Hope you guys like it. And like always, hit that subscribe, notification bell. So this is the first time he actually gets to hear it. He's usually inside the vehicle, not outside the vehicle. So he's excited.
Yes, sir.
And that tip came off of a Ram truck, 1500.
Like this one?
Yeah, like one of those.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
He's happy. Give me gas. It made his day. Decibel? 119, bro. It almost hit 120.
He said it should be like a 135. Yeah.
I didn't expect it to be this loud. And it sounds good. It's not like, yeah, it's got a nice pop. Yeah, it's not that rasp.
It's an inline 4, so I thought it was going to sound like a Civic, but
Yeah.
it sounds like its own car.
Wow. That's awesome. That's insane how loud it is. Wow. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. 3560 Dickerson Pike. Here's our phone number if you guys ever want to give us a call. That sounds so good. I like it. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Pontiac Solstice. Muffler delete. Inline 4. Sucker's quick. It sounds beautiful, especially being a 2.5, because it's 2.5 inch all the way through. Wow, that sounds